Alrighty, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about modules and what they are. So I'm going to head over to Learning Path. These are all modules here. We already talked about the resources in a previous video, how everything we do to the resources controls what shows up here in course resources, right? So this one is just where you create what you're going to create. And I'll show you how I'm going to do it, and then hopefully you can kind of get an idea of how you're going to want to do it with your courses. But to me, that makes the most sense is I would have a module for each week. So I could say week 1, hit enter, okay, and it adds it. And then I can go week 2, and I really like this because this is actually a lot easier than eCompanion was. So I'm just putting in all my weeks. Okay, and if once you've added the module, if you want to edit it, you can click on it, and it comes up here, and you click on the little drop down. You can edit it, move it up and down, do whatever you want to do there. You can delete it. That's an important one to know. If you want to reorganize them, you can click here and kind of click and drag. I just made that a sub module of it. So, you can make them sub modules, or you can put them on top, or well, actually, was that? Yeah, if you just click and drag and let go there, it goes underneath, and anyway, so forth. So once the modules are created, then you're going to want to start putting things in them, right? So we can go to upload or create. So we can put in files, we can capture things, we can create a file, create a link, do a new assignment, new quiz, survey, whatever we wanted to do here. So if I wanted to, I could say, upload file. I have no idea what I'm going to take here. Let's go. I'm just going to throw in a picture, I guess. Okay, maybe I want to throw in a picture of this thing, this guy, this HTML guy, just to kind of be a little lighthearted. So put that in there. So now when they click on it, they see the picture. Okay, and then if I want to, I can edit things, I can change things, whatever. But I just, all this was just to upload a file. So maybe I wanted to show them a graph or something. I mean, whatever you wanted to do there, and then it lets them download, print, and do what they want to do there. But if I didn't want it, I can just delete the topic. Then I can delete everything that's associated with that topic, or I can just remove the topic and keep all the files still on side of Brightspace. So you can see that there's modules, and then underneath modules you have topics. Okay. So I could create a file if I wanted to, and what that does is just gives me this. So I can start inserting things as needed. I can throw in YouTube videos, links, embed code, stuff that I already have uploaded to eCompanion, or not eCompanion, but Brightspace and so forth. Throw in some pictures. So this would be, if I wanted to just kind of write out the assignment and go from there. Browse for template. I don't even know if we have any of those. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so I'm going to hit cancel there. But anyways, yeah. So, and then if I wanted to add the submodule, I could do that. But that's just kind of how they work. And then it's just a matter of creating and putting in things that you want. If I wanted to do that submodule, I could say, maybe there's a quiz. And then test. I don't know. Just it's kind of whatever you want. You can see that kind of goes over a little bit. So that's about it for the modules. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to make. You got the sub modules, you got those modules, and then once you're done, you can start doing things. The existing activities are going to be things that you've already created. So if you created a chat room, you can throw that in there. If you've already created a checklist, you can throw that in there. Quizzes, because these are things that you need to create beforehand before you stick them in, or you can just come in here and say, well, I'm going to create a new discussion or a new checklist or whatever there. But we'll cover how to create these different things later. But for now, it's just, this is how you create the modules. This is how you can organize them and get them ready for your course. So anyways, Hope that helped, guys. We'll talk to you later.